Good morning. My name is Vipul Das, and this is my submission for the Sparks Foundation Internship Program, Task 1, titled Prediction Using Supervised ML. The objective is to create a model to predict the score of a student based on hours studied. Additionally, we have to generate a custom prediction based on the assumption that a student has studied for 9.25 hours. To start with, I import some essential Python libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn for visualization. What follows is a series of tasks such as importing the dataset and generating descriptive statistics, a correlation matrix to see how correlated hours variable and scores variable are. As you can see, they are very highly correlated. A scatter plot to visualize the correlation matrix. Then I go ahead and define the dependent and independent variables. Hours is independent and scores is dependent. I split the dataset into a train and test set using sklearn's train test split. Now this is slightly important. sklearn's objects use at minimum a 2D array as input, and therefore I've used statsmodels.api add constant to convert the independent variable into a 2D array. This doesn't affect the model in any way. It simply adds one more coefficient output, as I'll demonstrate below. Then a linear regression object is created, and to this I fit the train data and predict the test data. Prediction is stored in a different variable, y hat in this case. Now here are the coefficients I spoke of earlier. Since this is a linear regression, the final equation will be of the format y is equal to mx plus c. But since the input array was 2D, there are two coefficients here, 0 for the column with only unit entries and 9.91 for the hours independent variable. As you can see, the add constant did nothing adverse to our model. It is automatically removed when calculating the final output, which is scores. We validate our model and then finally predict the data on the required input, which is 9.25 hours. And this shows us a possible score of 93 marks. And that is it for task 1. Thank you.